Hey, what's up, everybody? So check it out. Right in front of me, we got the American SS 15-inch wheel set by Aoshima. Let's go right ahead and open this up, and let's go and see what comes inside the packaging right here. This is what you get when you get the set right here. And let's look at the back contents right there. It gives you some instructions as to how to assemble the wheels into the tires. So let's set this down and let's check them out right here. So these are some nice, beautiful chrome wheels. The rear have that deep dish. Look at the front ones right there. You also get some nice side view mirrors right there. We got some tires, the big ones in the rear, smaller ones up front. The little poly caps there that go inside the back of the wheels there. Ooh, check this out. You also get some water slide decals here. What appears to be some license plates right there, and also a California license plate, CA. Oh yeah. So all this here in one package. I always get people asking about these sets. Do they come with tires? Yes, they do. They're right there. You know, this is the closest thing right here to a Cragar. As you can see right here, look at the back picture of the car right there. Can't wait to use these right here in a future build. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.